WESH News has confirmed that George, Cindy, and their son Lee Anthony have all been subpoenaed to testify in the civil defamation lawsuit brought by Zenaida Gonzalez. Casey Anthony's lawyer says she will invoke her Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination and not answer written questions submitted to her by Gonzalez legal team. WESH reporter Bob Keeling joins us live in the newsroom. And Bob, what do Gonzalez lawyers hope to prove by putting the Anthonys under oath?
Well, it's interesting, Jim. John Morgan, Gonzalez attorney, says he has some surprise questions for Casey Anthony's family that he believes will help him determine and others determine more about what the family did or did not know about his client and even perhaps Kaylee's disappearance. Inside his law firm's downtown Orlando courtroom this month, John Morgan says he plans to put members of Casey Anthony's family under oath.
And then we have some surprise questions for them that we think that that they may have difficulty answering.
Morgan says he wants to know whether the family repeated Casey's claim that a babysitter named Zenaida Gonzalez kidnapped Kaylee. Morgan claims his client, Zenaida Gonzalez of Kissimmee, is the woman Casey was talking about, and as a result, her name and reputation were damaged.
What Zenaida Gonzalez has gone through has been awful. I mean, absolutely awful.
Now that Casey Anthony has declined to answer their written deposition, Morgan says he will ask a judge to dismiss Casey's countersuit against Gonzalez.
You can't bring a suit and say, okay, the burden's on me, but I'm not going to answer any questions.
Meanwhile, his lawyer confirmed that Lee Anthony received a subpoena Monday, but does not know anything about Zenaida Gonzalez. In court papers, Casey Anthony claims that the babysitter she dropped her child off with was a different Zenaida Gonzalez. Now, next week, Morgan plans to kick off these depositions with a very familiar face in the case against Casey. He also plans to make it very public. We'll tell you who and how coming up. All new at 6. Let's go back to you.
All right, Bob, thanks a lot. A source close to the investigation also tells WESH News they would not oppose the Anthonys reuniting with Casey via video hookup, but that would be the closest they could come to mourning Kaylee as a family. The lawyers for George, Cindy, and Lee Anthony say the family would like to have some time to grieve Kaylee together. A corrections spokesman says it would be highly unlikely the family could reunite with Casey in jail. One investigator we spoke with said he would not oppose the family having a video visitation with Casey as long as someone from the jail or law enforcement was there to monitor what happens. In the past, those visits have been videotaped and made public.